everyone, it's Bubbles from venomfluidart. Thank you for joining us on another amazing week on the Fluid Art Express with my fantastic art family. And we have a very special guest this week, Miss Crazy's Art. I just love her work and I love when she uses the airbrush. She is amazing with it. So thank you for joining us. Alrighty, so this week we are going to be doing the skins for the back of my stools now, and I'll give you a progress report. So I'm going to get Wombat to do a quick reel so you can have a look at how the base will sort of sit. And these ones we're going to do are for the back of the stool on the backrest. So we're going to do some blues. Next week we'll get out our reds and neons. Stay tuned, to be continued. Alrighty, so let's go have some swiping fun. I'll see you at the end.
I'd move the world for your eyes, run through the fires for you. I'd put your love on my life. There's nothing I wouldn't do. I don't feel the same when I'm not with you. Love the risk, but what is this coming? Oh, your love is dangerous. You make it dangerous. This is dangerous love. It's dangerous love. It's dangerous love. It's dangerous, dangerous, dangerous love. It's dangerous love. It's dangerous love. It's dangerous, dangerous, dangerous love. I climb through your webs, jump off the edge of desire. Your touch takes me higher. Just give me your hands. We'll plunge the waters together and rise through the weather. I don't feel the same when I'm not with you. Love the risk, but what is this coming to? Oh, I know the world for your eyes, run through the fires for you. I put your love on my life. There's nothing I wouldn't do. I know the world for your eyes, run through the fires for you. I put your love on my life. There's nothing I wouldn't do for this dangerous love. Oh, this dangerous love. Oh, this dangerous love. Oh, this dangerous I'm focused. I've been watching for the omens. I've been listening to everything you said. It's been running through my head, locked and loaded. I got the feeling that you know it. Yeah, I've only just begun. I won't stop until it's done, till you're broken. So welcome to the fire. I'm the one with the lighter. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. I've been waiting for this moment, the final battle of the chosen. See, I'm never gonna quit, got my legacy set in motion. So welcome to the fire. I'm the one with the lighter. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. Welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. 'Cause the bigger they are, the harder they fall. You build your fortress and I'll climb your walls. You got your armor, but I see your flaws. So welcome to the fire. I'm the one with the lighter. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. Bigger they are, harder they fall. Can you history calling you, calling me, written in stone upon tablets that fade away? We will remain. Oh, look what we've done, the wars that we won. We rise like the sun, but don't go down. I want it all, I want it all. So long live the king, long live the empire. Yeah, I'll wear the crown till the world is burned down. I am king, this is my empire. I live for the sound as it moves through the crowd, saying King, King, King. Long live the kingdoms will fall to mine is the only one, written in stars like a sign of glory to come. Glory to come. Oh, look what we've done, the wars that we won. We rise like the sun, but it won't go down. I want it all, I want it all. Long live the king, long all the stories about me. Sometimes a legend is hard to believe. Yeah, I'll show you just how true they can be. Let's raise a glass to the king. Long live the king, long live the empire. Yeah, I wear the crown till the world is burned down. I am king, this is my empire. I live for the sound as it moves through the crowd. Say, king, king, king. Long live the king, king, king. Long live the king.
Alrighty guys, well I think that one is now spun out quite enough, so I'll get Wombat to bring you down for a close-up reel. I think that's going to be a pretty cool addition for the back of my stool, because I need two more of these yet, the red palette and Wombat's neon one, but I think this one's a good start. So that is it for me this week guys. Stay tuned because I'm going to do the next two skins and put the stools together so you can all see eventually. And that's it for me. So take care, stay safe. I'll see you in the next one. Have a fantastic day. Go get messy.